warm and muggy day across the Golden Triangle. Certainly feeling summer-like out there as we look across the area of Pontotoc here on our sky cam. You can see some of these puffy cumulus clouds here in the background indicating some of the heat that we have going on in the region right now with 82 degrees here in Starkville. Winds that are out of the south-southeast at 16 miles per hour, giving us that dew point at 66. That feels pretty muggy out there, folks. Really, we want to see 60 degrees or above to see muggy, summer-like conditions, and we're certainly meeting that criteria right now across the southeast, not only by the muggy conditions with the moisture, but with the heat as well. 83 degrees right now in Little Rock, 85 in Montgomery. Hey, look at Nashville, 86 up there, almost getting to the area of 90 degrees. So certainly very warm out there today, and we are seeing those clouds moving from the southwest to the northeast across the state of Mississippi. Just a few showers and maybe a couple thunderstorms breaking out across areas in Alabama and certainly east of Nashville. But what we are going to be watching over the next couple of days is this disturbance causing showers and thunderstorms up in Kansas and Oklahoma. In fact, that is going to be generating some thunderstorms for us as we go throughout the day tomorrow. But certainly as we go throughout the morning hours on your Thursday, we should be okay. We're just going to be seeing some cloudy skies and certainly some breezy conditions warming up into the middle 80s by about the afternoon hours or so. But certainly as we go throughout the evening hours, this is when a squall line of severe storms is going to be moving through the Mississippi Delta region on into the Golden Triangle. Sometime around 10 o'clock, these will arrive here in Starkville, and they should be out of here as we go throughout the early morning hours on your Friday, leaving us with cooler air behind that. But what is that going to entail? Well, the Storm Prediction Center has issued a slight risk for severe weather for pretty much the entire state of Mississippi, including the Golden Triangle. But if you head west on US 82 for just a few counties, you're going to be in a moderate risk area. This is going to be a more elevated risk than the one we're in, but certainly these storms will weaken just a touch as they go from the moderate risk area into the slight risk area during the later evening hours of tomorrow. But they're still going to be carrying with them the threats of damaging winds. A few tornadoes can't be ruled out either, along with some hail. So if you have a weather alert radio, make sure that is ready to go for tomorrow night. Make sure your smartphone, your cell phone can receive weather alerts as well, because the weather could get just a little bit rough as we go throughout tomorrow evening here across the Golden Triangle. No rough weather in store for tonight here in Starkville, just muggy conditions, 66 degrees. That's all we're going to get down to tonight here in Starkville with partly cloudy skies. Breezy conditions as well with winds out of the southeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Those winds will be continuing into tomorrow as well, helping fuel some of those thunderstorms that we will be seeing during the later evening hours. But before we even get to that, we're going to be seeing a very summer-like day with 85 degrees for a high temperature and partly cloudy skies. Certainly going to be a summer-like day just before those storms move on through. But once we get the storms out of the area, much cooler weather behind the cold front generating them. 64 degrees on Friday, 70 on Saturday, and 75 on Sunday with sunny skies. Going to be a very nice weekend with much lower humidity than what we are seeing out there today. But as we go into Monday, unfortunately, we're going to be introducing another small rain chance into the forecast. But luckily, temperatures will be maintaining themselves in the middle 70s for highs as we go into your new work week. With your Mississippi State University Campus Connect forecast, I'm meteorologist Ryan Hoke.